we're going to go over how to add the bot to your trading platform and add some presets and all that good stuff. We'll start out here. The first thing you do when you get into the group is download all the presets and just all the files and put them in a folder on your desktop so they're easy to access. Start here with this MT5, I guess. Minimize that. Minimize that. All right, here we go. Here's the bot itself. You copy this. You have to bear with my computer. I think it's about to go. I think it's about toast. We're gonna click File, Open Data Folder. See, I just copied the ex4 file. So it'll bring you to this. You'll click MQ5, Experts, and we're just gonna paste this in there. Then we can exit it out. Then we're gonna come over here to our expert advisors. We're gonna right click it. We're gonna click refresh. And there it is. At this point, it will be visible in the strategy tester. Over here. There it is. And then if you want to load one of the presets to this, you come over here to inputs, you'll right click, click load. Or doing US30, that's the one I want. I don't want this one actually. And there it is. Loads everything in there for you. Just to show you that this is working. Then you can click start. And it should start going here shortly if my computer will cooperate. But if you want to add the bot to one of your trading charts, you're going to come up here, click the symbol you want. I'm going to do US30. Starts on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to click it down to 30. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to double click the bot. It's going to bring up this, and you're going to have to load it like so. There it is. You're good to roll. It's that simple. Then it's doing its back testing up here as well. So we can minimize this out. Come over here. MT4. Copy it here. Open the terminal back up, go File, Open Data Folder. Go to Experts. No, it does. It's because I have so many pulled up. But you'll start out here. You go MQ04, Experts. We're just going to paste this in here. Exit out. Do the same thing. It's basically the same process. Over here, right click, refresh. Here we are. If you want to load this, what chart we're going to mess with here? We got let's do US30. Been doing US30. You can double click it. On the MT4 version, you're going to have to this pop up this about well in the common. You're going to have to check this allow live trading. Then come over to your inputs. And this is where you'll load your preset. That's it. It's that easy. Click OK. See, this is what you want up here in the top right hand corner. If you have a smiley face, that means it is loaded correctly and it is willing to enter trades whenever it comes about. And that's really it, guys. You want to make sure this auto trading thing is on. If for some reason this thing, he has a sad face, you're going to want to come over here to tools, options, and you're going to want to make sure that you have allow automated trading checked. And that's really it, guys. It's that simple. I've been having some really great results here lately. With your purchase, you will get access to our VIP group. This is where we will update our presets and give you any new versions of the bot, which we can do that on MQ5 as well. But the presets, I like to keep it relatively fresh. If it's working, it's working, but if little tweaks need to be done a month or so, I'll make those adjustments and send out the new files for you guys if it's something you guys want to download and take advantage of. But that's really it. So I want to give a quick rundown on how to load this stuff. And if you guys have any more questions, see, look at it right here. We're doing good already. 2.2 far. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Appreciate you.